Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, hey, don't want to be before you long, but what I wanted to do is show you in this short video why Appsumo's last call, this is your opportunity to get Flowlu, which is the CRM king. And let me explain to you the reason why. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll just come up with a crazy hack. I'll be laying in bed and come up with a crazy hack. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss it. There's other people that have been telling me that they've been missing out, but this is my last call hack pack. And I think you only have about another 24 hours or 36 hours to pick up this one tool called Flowlu. There's a lot of things came back from last call, but there's only one thing that's worth its weight in gold, and that is Flowlu. And let me tell you the reason why. It is the king, right? It's better than HubSpot, right? It's better than all these other tools people are coming up with, ZoHo and all. Listen, this is the king, and it's a one-time cost. If I compare HubSpot's Enterprise plan, which is $5,000 a year, I can get all of that right now for less than $500. Right now, I can build a platform for $500 that's better than their Enterprise at $5,000 a year. And let me show you the reason why. And I stand behind this. Now, if you're going to make this Flowlu purchase, to me, the best value is at tier 6, which is their highest plan. And here's the reason why. What you're getting is let's break it down here because I'm not going to hold you long. This is going to be a short video. What you're getting at the core, you're getting Flowlu. It's called Flowlu for a reason. Why? Because you can get to all of these tools, right? You can get to every last one of these tools and more. I ran out of room. I just stopped counting them. I just put some of the core ones here that you probably should have. You should have at least maybe a page maker. Maybe you have a webinar entry. This is live webinar. I have all of these, by the way. Maybe you have a Stripe pages, right? A landing page. These are your 2 landing pages, right? To get all your information. You have maybe a query, maybe a form, right? A form builder, right? It even has, I can't remember the other form builder. It has Formalu. It even has Formalu, right? You can get signature pages in there. Someone signs something. You can use your Crove there, right there. You can get text messaging groups. You can put those in here through SMS it. Keep telling you guys about SMS it. It's going somewhere. It has open API. I don't know why you guys haven't taken advantage of that, but some people are, some people are not. You have another landing page with it can do your actual workflows and automation with InCharge and VBout landing page automations as well. A Mail. You can get your emails, landing pages, light automation, very light, super light, right? Inboxes, you can do email with that, very light. And some of your other major inbox players, right? That's 10 programs. I have all of these, by the way, but that's 10 programs you could use, right, to get into Flowlu. So I can't use Flowlu. They don't have a landing page. You don't need a landing page. You got PageMaker. You got Swipe Pages, right? You got Query, right? And the reason why, here's what you're getting here, right? You're getting a customer portal, right? This is what you're getting inside of Flow. You're getting customer portal. You're getting Stripe, PayPal, right? You're getting invoices. They can come in on this side, send them out with an invoice or create invoices on the fly. It has automations and workflows. It has unlimited sales, unlimited automations, unlimited sales, unlimited invoices, and unlimited workflows. Are you kidding? And this is only half of what I'm telling you. You can do your own logo. You can do your own domain, right? Get this. The reason why it's so powerful, because it has an open API, right? Or it has webhooks. If you have Pabbly or Connectease IT, you can get to any one of these. You can maybe even have both. So what I wanted to do was share with you in this little 5-minute video is I put together a snack pack for you. I mean, a hack pack. I say snack pack. I don't know. I put together a hack pack. I have one link that you can get any one of these. You can get Pabbly Connect one-time cost, or you can get Connectease one-time cost, and you can get Flowlu one-time cost. I have them all in my last call hack pack. right here. The link is in the description. Again, you should be able to see it there. Listen, this has been Jenny Jones. I'm always putting these tools together because that's what I do. Oh, did I mention it has SMTP, right? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, where you can change your email address and have your email address go out with your name on it with your own domain. Hey, this is powerful, people. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care out there. Goodbye for now. Don't forget, click the link.